What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mega 4K, you already know. And today we're coming down to Cars and Coffee once again. Today is truck themed, and it's not looking too packed. The weather is like poop today, so we're about to check it out and see what's down here. Hopefully there's some heat, who knows. Keep it locked. Alright guys, so that is a wrap on Trucks and Coffee this evening. I'm about to head on home, take a nap, wake up, and get to editing. You already know. I really hope you guys enjoyed the footage, but unfortunately there will be no exit montage at the end of this episode. This is episode number 6, by the way, if you guys are rocking with your boy. So make sure you go on back and check out those other episodes. Yeah, you already know. And I will see you guys when I warp on home. I got a couple other announcements to make, a couple other things I wanted to talk to you guys about. So I'll see you then. So I just made it back to the house, and Cars and Coffee today was pretty good. It was Trucks and Coffee, I should say. It was pretty dope. I did want to give a huge shout out to Brandon for inviting me out to the retro gaming thing that I went to, as you guys seen in my previous vlog. If you guys didn't check that out, make sure you guys go back and check that out, because it was a pretty dope setup. And if you guys are in the area, I would love to see you guys there. Also, I had a little clip of Brandon promoting Arts Fest this year, and I don't know what it is about that guy, but I kind of think he's bad luck. The first time I filmed with him, Menace came falling out of the sky. This time, I recorded a clip of him, and out of all of my clips from that day, that is the only clip that was corrupt. So basically, every other clip worked except for the one with him in it. I have no idea what happened to it. I was unable to view it. I tried to look at it a couple of times. I tried a couple different ways to get it off of the camera just to see. But, you know, it didn't work out. So that's why he wasn't in the last vlog. I'm sure he'll be in another vlog because, you know, we got so much work to do together. So I'm really looking forward to it all. And here it is. This is the flyer that he was promoting. Arts Fest, as you guys can see. Try and get a good close-up there. I'm not sure if you guys can read all of that, but here's the dates and the times so you guys can come on out and check it out. It is a free event. It's happening down at Cedar Beach in Allentown. The actual dates, let me read them to you. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's September 29th to October 1st. So if you're in the area and you're interested in art, you know, there's going to be a lot of music, a lot of food, a lot of other things. So make sure you guys come on out. I'll probably see you guys down there at least one of those days. Not too sure which day I'm going yet. I will keep you guys posted. But yeah, I hope to see you guys down there. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment below so you can holla at your boy. We can have a little chit chat, you already know. And make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. You already know. Click that little bell. Make sure that you guys change those notifications to always. Stay up to date with your boy. Thanks once again for the love and support. I'm out of here. I need to take a nap. Running on like 5 hours of sleep. Sleep deprivation will catch up to you eventually. Trust me. So I'm out of here. Until next time. Deuces.